Crash, there's also one looking at you probably from here.
Alright. Oh shit, yeah, he definitely is. Yeah, he's right there. Got me.
Enemy outpost down. Oh, Panzer 4. Yeah, Panzer 4 coming in. In fucking F4.
Yep, there's 2 enemy Panzer IIs out here.
Either I'm gonna die or I'm gonna make an amazing play. It's one of the two and I can't tell which one right now.
Are they still not moving, or?
No, they're still here.
Alright.
Enemy Gary on me pretty much. I'm just smelling it now.
Alrighty. Hello, boys.
Hello there.
Hello, mate. Commander left.
Yo.
Awesome.
If the next one's
Too
warfare, I
speak.
might take command.
Yeah, all good. I'm riding an enemy tank in the battle. I'll be
Nice.
back in a moment.
Enemy Gary in the red zone down.